And the best part is, as of today, paying $5 per month in real estate taxes for this apartment located here in Manhattan. It's not a secret that New York City real estate is extremely expensive, especially here in Manhattan, which is full of multi-million-dollar apartments. But what if you want to buy an apartment and spend only $500,000? Welcome to 2280 Frederick Douglass Boulevard. This is a 12-story condominium building located on the corner of 123rd Street and Frederick Douglass Boulevard. We are in the apartment 5F, and this is where the value, location, and comfort come together. This is a studio apartment currently listed for $550,000. As you can see, we have a large open concept studio plotted with natural light, and the home's layout provides many options for furniture configuration. The size of the room is definitely enough for you to have different living zones in the same open space. You can have your sleeping area in this corner, dining area here, some additional seating can be by this wall, and the opposite corner can easily be used as an entertainment center and a home office. And there are definitely many other creative ways to arrange this space. Moving on, the kitchen without a doubt is one of the best parts in this apartment. Here you have not only ample cabinet space for storage, but all the appliances are stainless steel, including a 4-burner gas range, full-size fridge. You also have a dishwasher, microwave, and Caesarstone countertops. A lot of 1- and 2-bedroom apartments don't have this kind of kitchen. And here is the closet where your full-size washer and vented dryer are located. Moving on, let's take a look at the bathroom. We have a 4-fixture bathroom with brushed nickel finishes and Neptune soaking tub. The overall design here definitely provides a spa-like environment. One of the advantages of buying an apartment in this building are the amenities that you're getting. This building is a full-service condominium with a 24-hour attended lobby. There are 2 outdoor spaces, the roof deck that has barbecue grill, fireplace, and amazing views, and the second-floor landscape terrace with pergolas, additional seating, and another barbecue grill. The best part of buying this apartment is the value that you're getting, which is not only the beautifully designed apartment itself, but also the carrying costs. If you have watched other videos in my channel, I also provide a lot of important information you need to know about buying a real estate besides just looking at the property. And one of the important things that not a lot of people talk about is how much will it cost you per month to carry your apartment? Besides, of course, your monthly mortgage payments if you decide to finance your purchase. When buying a condo in general, you also have to budget for your property taxes and your monthly common charges, also known as HOA. And some buildings might also have special assessments in place, which is another temporary carrying cost for the owners until the assessment period is over. If those terms are confusing, I highly recommend you to check out this video. When it comes to 2280 Frederick Douglass Boulevard, which is the building we're in right now, there are no current assessments at the time of recording this video. The common charges for this apartment right now is only $590 per month, and the best part is, as of today, paying $5 per month in real estate taxes for this apartment located here in Manhattan. This is due to what's called a tax abatement. Tax abatement is essentially a reduction of a real property tax bill by a local government. There are various tax abatement programs in New York City, and one of them is what's called a 421A tax abatement, which is what we have here in this building until the year of 2035. Just keep in mind that depending on the type of the abatement, there are different terms, codes, expiration dates, and different phase-out schedules within the program. If you want to know how the property tax is calculated, how the abatement, and most importantly, how the phase-out schedule work, it's also in this video. But as a disclaimer, I am not a tax expert, and this is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed professional for your specific transaction. So having a low monthly carrying cost, this apartment can be a great choice for someone who doesn't want to rent and prefers to buy a place here in Manhattan, or keep this apartment as an investment property to rent it out, or keep it as a pied-à-terre, which means a part-time residence. I will leave the link of this property in the description below if you're interested in learning more. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.